The U.S. Supreme Court ruled 6-3 that a Tennessee law prohibiting puberty blockers, hormone therapy, and some surgeries does not violate the 14th Amendment and does not discriminate based on sex.
Children deserve protection from our states, not experimentation.
The Montana Family Foundation says this ruling is good for children, while the American Civil Liberties Union calls this a devastating loss.
General concern about this atmosphere of anti-transgender animus.
Chief Justice John Roberts wrote for the majority, stating, "Our role is not to judge the wisdom, fairness, or logic of the law before us. We leave questions regarding its policy to the people, their elected representatives, and the democratic process."
States should be emboldened to pass legislation that protects children from irreversible consequences. Unfortunately, I think we're going to see an epidemic of children experiencing these consequences later on in life unless states make moves to protect them now.
Dissenting Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote that with the decision, the court abandons transgender children and their families to political whims.
These decisions should be made between an individual, their family, and their healthcare provider, and the government has no business inserting itself into that medical room.
In December, the Montana Supreme Court agreed with the lower court that a law prohibiting minors with gender dysphoria from getting surgical and medical treatments is unconstitutional. And now there is some disagreement about how this U.S. Supreme Court ruling will affect Montana law.
The legislature is not giving up, and the state of Montana is not giving up on making sure that we have definitions that make sense, that are objective, that sex is immutable, you can't change it, and that we're going to protect children from these dangerous experiments.
We enjoy greater constitutional protections under our state constitution than exist under the federal constitution. And so gender-affirming care for transgender minors remains legal in this state and will for the foreseeable future.
26 states have laws with restrictions on these procedures. In Billings, David J., MTN News.